My name is Michael Lee, Solutions Engineer at DJI Enterprise, and today I am here to show you the new Mavic 3 Enterprise series. I'm excited to go over some key information with you today on our latest products. In front of me here, I have the Mavic 3E and the Mavic 3T. As a reminder, these are our enterprise versions of the Mavic 3, built to be used for commercial work. The Mavic 3 Enterprise series is our newest enterprise drone, and on the smaller side compared to the rest of the enterprise lineup. But don't let that fool you. With its great flight time, shooting speed, portability, and efficiency, this is your everyday commercial drone built for beginner and veteran pilots alike. Taking a look at these aircraft, the dimensions and airframe are similar at first glance to the Mavic 3. The Enterprise airframe includes omnidirectional obstacle sensing thanks to the built-in wide-angle vision sensors. With the advanced pilot assistance system, the aircraft can continuously sense objects in all directions and bypass them quickly and smoothly. When enabling the advanced return to home setting, the optimal route back to home point can be quickly executed without traditionally climbing to a preset altitude first. All Mavic 3 models also support the same intelligent batteries with the self-discharge feature. In addition to the base Mavic 3 hardware features, this enterprise airframe is actually reinforced for higher intensity missions. A PSDK port has been added for options such as the official DJI RTK and speaker modules, along with third-party PSDK options. It also has a beacon that is now built in so it does not take up the port for other attachments, along with the light built into the bottom of the aircraft. The weight of this aircraft, with the battery just over 900 grams, a bit lighter than its predecessor, the Mavic 2 Enterprise series. The foldability and lightweight airframe can support small units with individual tasks, allowing flexibility whenever a drone is needed. Speaking of flexibility, as you can see along with the attachment options on the top of the aircraft, the two models come with different cameras built in, and it's important to understand which one is for your mission. Going into the Mavic 3E camera first, the drone is equipped with two cameras, a wide and a zoom camera. The wide camera offers a 4/3 CMOS sensor, 4K video at 30 frames per second, and a true 20 megapixel resolution with a mechanical shutter option to prevent rolling shutter effect. We have increased the pixel size to 3.3 microns, which helps optimize data collection in low light conditions. The zoom camera offers a 1/2 inch CMOS sensor and a 12 megapixel resolution. The hybrid zoom feature uses the wide camera's digital zoom from 1x to 7x, then switches over to the zoom camera for up to a maximum of 56x digital zoom. Generally speaking, if you are looking to do surveying and mapping or inspections without a thermal camera, the Mavic 3E will be the one to choose. The Mavic 3T supports the same zoom camera as the Mavic 3E in addition to a wide and thermal option. The radiometric thermal sensor has a resolution of 640 by 512, which helps provide accurate data while at a greater standoff distance. The thermal camera also supports 2 to 28 times continuous digital zoom and split screen viewing. The zooming of the thermal camera when all the way zoomed out at full resolution will start at 2 times to align with the visual camera. The key difference in the wide camera of the Mavic 3T compared to its counterpart is the smaller 1/2 inch CMOS sensor, 48 megapixel resolution, and no mechanical shutter. The Mavic 3E and T both have a 45-minute flight time and 38-minute hover time without wind. This is a significant impact for a single enterprise drone. These Mavics also have the ability to use a 100-watt fast charging adapter, so you can charge your battery from 0 to 100 in 70 minutes and 0 to 90 in 47 minutes with the 100-watt adapter and charging hub. When flying the Mavic 3 Enterprise series, you will need to use a single RC Pro Enterprise, which comes standard in the box. The new controller has 4 built-in antennas, 2 transmitting and 4 receiving, that support DJI O3 Enterprise, giving the setup a 9 to 15 kilometer range with low interference. Also, a built-in mic for the speaker. The RC battery lasts for 3 hours and can be charged during operations. There is no external battery. Let's take a look at the brand new RTK module. When you take a look at it next to the Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced, you can see that it is smaller. What you don't see is that the new design is lighter and optimizes cooling and flight time. The RTK module is used for TimeSync 2.0 with the Mavic 3E, aligning the camera, flight controller, RTK module, and gimbal at the microsecond level. This allows you to verify data through checkpoints instead of having to take time to set ground control points throughout a site. The Mavic 3E will also save GNSS information in the photos so users can utilize third-party PPK software. For waypoint missions, the RTK module can be used to increase the accuracy of the drone itself when it returns to the waypoint location to capture data. This capability is available for both the Mavic 3E and T. Overall, The Mavic 3E is a more portable and efficient drone for mapping compared to the previous Phantom 4 RTK. When directly comparing the Mavic 3E to the Phantom 4 RTK, the shutter speed has been improved to 0.7 seconds, max speed to 15 meters per second, and flight time has also been increased from 30 minutes to 42 with the RTK module. The Mavic 3 Enterprise has been optimized for use with DJI Terra, our photogrammetry software, allowing a user to process 2D maps and 3D models. For first responders, we have already talked about the great thermal camera on board and the simultaneous zoom. I'm excited to jump a bit further into the improved speaker payload that can be used for first responder missions, whether that be working K9 teams or sharing information with a lost individual. The new speaker on the Mavic 3 Enterprise has a few different options for use, including record and broadcast, text-to-speech, or uploading a file. I'll show you just how easy it is to use the speaker.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
On the software side, we're excited that Mavic 3 Enterprise will be supporting all of DJI's flagship enterprise software offerings. Pilot 2 on the remote controller is our ground control software, where you can manually fly and plan a variety of autonomous waypoint or mapping missions. The operator can customize obstacle avoidance, distance, and strategy, return to home logic, and more. For those who may want to stay offline, local data mode and map download is supported. All of the data between your drone and controller is protected by the AES 256 encryption algorithm. Users can choose to erase any system logs generated during the use of DJI devices. Inside the protective case, we have the aircraft, intelligent flight battery, micro SD card, gimbal protector, 3 pairs of propellers for quick replacement if needed, 1 RC controller that is only compatible with the Mavic 3 E and T, and a power adapter and cables for your charging and updating needs. Overall, a commonly asked question is why upgrade your current drone and add the Mavic 3E to your fleet? And to summarize, Mavic 3 Enterprise is a portable, highly efficient, low-cost enterprise drone that can be applied in a variety of application scenarios. Previously, enterprise drones and the features demanded for commercial applications were more expensive and required a larger sized drone. The improved flight time of up to 45 minutes and a powerful camera on both drones is a game changer. The Mavic 3 Enterprise series is an essential drone for your commercial fleet. For more information about the latest Mavic 3 Enterprise series, click on the link below. Please like, comment any questions or feedback, and subscribe to our DJI Enterprise channel.